Did you know you can make up to $200 a day working online, even if you have zero experience? In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step guide to start earning real money without quitting your day job. First, let's talk about the best, beginner-friendly ways to make money online. Today, I'll focus on 3 easy and legit methods: affiliate marketing, freelancing on online platforms, and content creation with monetization. Let's start with affiliate marketing. Here, you promote other people's products and get a commission for every sale. You don't need inventory or a big investment. Platforms like Hotmart, Monetize, and Amazon Associates are great places to start. You create simple content on social media, groups, or a blog to share your links. The second method is freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Workana connect you with clients needing simple services like translation, design, text editing, video editing, or admin tasks. No experience? No problem. Just show willingness and learn with every job. The third path is content creation. You can start a YouTube channel, a blog, or an Instagram profile focused on a niche you love. With consistency, you attract followers and monetize with ads, partnerships, and digital product sales. Sounds hard? It's not. With patience and focus, the money will come. Now, the secret to turning these ideas into $200 a day: consistency and combining strategies. Don't wait for money to fall from the sky. Pick one, dedicate at least 2 hours daily, learn and adjust your approach. With focus, you'll start seeing real results in weeks. And don't forget to use free tools to optimize your work, like Canva to create posts, Google Trends to find trending topics, and time management apps to stay organized. Making money online is possible for anyone willing to work smart and persistently. It's not magic, it's about working intelligently. Start small, learn fast, and scale your earnings until you reach $200 a day. If you want more practical strategies to make money online and change your financial life, subscribe now and hit the bell. Every week, I bring fresh tips to help you start from zero and achieve financial freedom.